Hello everyone, welcome to PowerPoint lesson 1. Alright, and today we are going to start by looking at the interface, how we are going to be making use of the tools there. Alright, so currently I'm using Microsoft PowerPoint 2016, but this lesson can still go with any of the version that you are using, so yours may be different, so your own version may be different. So this particular tutorial will still go with it. It will still follow with your version of the PowerPoint that you have. Alright, so let's talk about what is PowerPoint. So we can say PowerPoint is a presentation program that allows us to create dynamic slide presentations. Alright, so we used it for presentations. Alright, so now this presentation, they can include animation, narration, images, videos, and much more. Alright, so now let me go back to this place. So when you first open your PowerPoint program, you will see a welcome message. Alright, I have opened this before, that's why there's no welcome message. But now when you open that, you will see a welcome message. After that, you will see this place where you can open from using blank presentation, or you use any of the theme. But for the sake of this lesson, we are going to start from scratch using the blank presentation. So I'm already at the blank presentation. So when you open a blank presentation, the first slide that you see is this particular slide, this white background slide. Alright, so that's the first slide. Alright, so now let's talk about the interface. Alright, just like any other packages of Microsoft Word, you have your ribbon, and you know that from year to year we call it ribbon. Alright, so and ribbon, inside ribbon you have your tab, and inside tab you have group of commands. Alright, so let's say we are in home tab now. Home tab, we have insert tab, we have design tab, we have transitions tab, animation tab. Alright, so inside each tab we'll have our group of commands. So this is inside home tab. We have clipboard group, you can see the command there. We have slides group, you can see the command. We have font group, paragraph group, so you can see them. They are separated by this tiny line. Alright, so this is a detail. So inside insert tab, now insert tab we have what? Slides group, we have tables, we have images group, we have illustration group. So you understand that. Alright, so now and I told you that anytime you see this small icon here, that means there are still some options that you can use. But there's no space, that's why they didn't include. So if you need any option, you just click on anywhere you see this. So it's not in this place. Alright, so but it is here and it is here. Alright, so anywhere you see this tiny icon, it means there are still some hidden options then. Alright, so now this is where you can, just like any other Microsoft package program. Alright, this is where you see how to hide. You can hide your ribbon, you can hide it, and you can still show it. Say auto hide ribbon, and you can still say show tabs and command, and you can still, by coming here, you can still say show tabs. It will only show the tabs, you can see. Alright, do you understand that? So that is about that. Alright, so for here I will need the tabs and the commands. So that is that. Alright, so alright, we have talked about hidden All right, let's talk about the quick access toolbar. Just like any other Microsoft package, you have quick access toolbar here. So when you click on this customize, this small one, you will be able to add new tool. So you can, once you see the one that they mark, that means the tool already here. But if they are not marked, that means you can still add them by click. You see I've added open, let me add new. See, I've added new. All right, so if you want to remove them, you can just click on this small icon again, the one that they mark, or mark it just to remove it, or you right click on the icon by itself and say remove from quick access toolbar. I hope you understand that. All right, so now we have what we call tell me. This tell me features serve like a search bar that you can search anything that you need that you didn't find in the PowerPoint. You can search for it here. All right, so PowerPoint or two, they have their own ruler. You just use it to arrange your presentation. You go to view, you can open your ruler, you can see. So you can open your ruler, you open your grid lines, open your guides. That one is just to like alignment. So but most time we don't used to use it, because once it is good in your eyes, it is good to go. But this ruler, we use it to align mostly objects. So you just for alignment, like I want it to be at the center, I don't want it to, you understand. So like this ruler is just